Hey, what are you guys doing over the holiday? Yeah. Okay. Little before shot. Funky hair too. Yeah, it doesn't look great. The whole rail is loose. There's really nothing holding it except the 4x underneath. This is pretty bad here too. That one is next. I think I'm going to do the hard one first. Okay. Lots of flashing on rotted beams that are sistered up. Oh, I forgot a little piece there. We had to sister some of these. And yeah, there's the stuff. Those mushrooms growing over there. Anyway, yeah. Pressure treated decks are supposed to last 8 years. It's been 10. I guess if we'd sealed it better, it might be doing better. But I'm just going to slowly replace all the hard to get to boards from this underneath the rail, which is also a big piece of flashing and sealer under there now. I guess I could show you a little bit. Let's see if we can. Yep. We'll seal that down in a second. Looks like I gotta put a little piece there. Okay. Ta-ta for now. It's so much fun. Okay, not bad. I can walk on it now. I don't know about this one here. That one's a little spongy. Yeah, it's probably just going to be, when I get time, just start replacing them going that way. And maybe do under the rails first, because that's the hardest part. Yeah, it's looking good. This is an old one. That's got to go. Flashing under all the rotted joists that are sistered. That little piece has to go, obviously. And tomorrow we'll probably go get some 16 footers, because I'm kind of tired of cutting a foot off. I was a little hesitant to put the 16 footers in the truck, but at this point, if I get a whole bunch of them and maybe some 12 footers on the back towards the cab, I can kind of weasel them on there. Yeah, I was a little hesitant about hauling the 16 footers, but I think Big Red's gonna have to do it. Okay, Faulkner Fixes All signing off. Eventually I will work on bikes before I'm 90. Okay, have a good day.